Okay, I'm gonna try to put the hour meter right here. Okay, here it is. So we gotta insert the pickup wire into the rear of the meter, and then you wrap it around the spark plug wire. Okay, so yeah, that should be about all there is to it. Let's try it. Okay guys, it looks like everything's secure. Now let's turn this engine on and see if it works. If you take a look at the instructions, it says to make sure that the meter is actually picking up the ignition signal. If it is, it will activate the timer on the meter and the icon on the left will flash. Alright, you can see I wrapped it here to start with and it wasn't counting. And then I had to pull back this heat protector. I don't see anything over here on this side of the motor that's hot. The muffler's on the other side. So then I wrapped it 5 times here and it started counting it. We're gonna go with this for now. We got some extra, probably just wrap it up top. It said not to connect it to get it in contact with the motor, so I'll probably just wrap it up top for now. Make sure everything works, but I'm going to probably screw this into here.